Scraping shovels, beeping backhoes, bomb blasts. The Crested Butte Powder Day alarm clock. Roll over, check the POW cam. Damn, once again, it's game time. Grab a fistful of apple. Shovel a shrinking path. Race for the bus. And then abandon all responsibility for yet another day skiing Colorado's snowiest hill. Yeah, all that snow removal this week has been a major hassle, but sore shoulders from shoveling evaporate pretty quickly when you're skiing a foot of fresh powder every day for a week. In truth, just about everything fades into the background when the skiing is this good at Crested Butte. The morning lift ride of the Silver Queen is filled with angst about work, family, bills, shoveling, the roof. Then, right at the top of the mountain, the phone loses reception. And the only thing that matters is skiing. The Snowmageddon of January 2017, when more than 100 inches blanketed the state's steepest hill in the month's first 12 days, now occupies a trophy shelf next to the epic winter of 1992-93. The skiing is all time in Crested Butte right now. Last time it was this good, everyone was riding 210 GS boards, and there was no such thing as surfy fat skis with rocker tips designed to float and slarve versus sink and carve. The base has reached more than 8 feet, a stack of snow that transforms the area from one of Colorado's more technical hills into a feathery dance floor. And the winter wonderland party is just getting started. Patrol hasn't even opened Crested Butte's shining jewels in Spellbound and Phoenix Bowls. The future has rarely been brighter for Crested Butte skiers this season. Morasses of edge-blowing, ski-shattering rocks, like the once daunting Socket to Me and the formerly cliffed-out cesspool, have been sculpted into smooth, buttery meadows. Fields of jagged stone above Tower 11 have become high-speed flow lines. The slow negotiation of billy-goating through rocks, a mandatory Crested Butte skill set, has yielded to high-speed carving down the Butte's renowned extreme terrain. There's a communal sense of awe with how well the mountain is skiing, evidenced by the high fives and ski pole taps shared by snow-blasted strangers on the hill. I've never seen it like this. That's a common refrain. It hasn't been this good in years, decades even. My grandma can ski cesspeel, dude, says a local, trading fist bumps over beers at the avalanche. I feel like I woke up in Utah, says another. Shake it again, they say. Crested Butte. Snow globe.